Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are used by an organization to monitor the performance of their processes and business strategies relative to their objectives. KPI is a language. For instance, us humans, we use speech to communicate. Computers use Java. The sales world just use KPIs to communicate and indicate what is to be monitored in different areas of the organization. Thereby, it's providing a global overview of the organization's status. So, in order to describe the basic concept of KPIs, I'll present you an example after an imaginary shoe designer, let's say, and because my name is Panos, I will call the organization Panos Shoes. So, Panos Shoes desire to improve its monitoring and decision-making process. In order to fulfill its objective, the company first analyzed its business strategy described in terms of a business plan. First of all, we have to look at goals. Goals capture the objectives of the organization. For example, the main objective for Panos Shoes is revenue increase. In order to achieve it, the goal can split into two alternative paths: cost cut and fancy design. So, the Panos business strategy has one main goal: increase revenue. Well, of course, by cutting costs. Well, in order to achieve this goal, Panos can take two alternative courses. On the one hand, the company can decrease the cost of the shoes, thus making them more affordable, while also lowering the quality. On the other hand, the company can aim for high quality creative designs and high quality shoes, but they are more expensive but also more attractive to clients. In turn, this course of action improves the image of the organization and hopefully increasing the revenue as well. So overall, KPIs monitor the goals, the process, or the situations. So KPIs in the range of -1 to +1, describing how good or bad the measured element is performing. So let's have a look of how we can monitor sales through KPIs. So a really famous one is average customer spend. So this KPI involves calculating the average amount of customers spending during each purchase. So you can have an average unit retail, so AUR, if you work on retail you've seen it. So that's the average price of an item that was sold on that week. Or you can also compare this with an average number of units purchased per transaction, UPT. So average purchase value can vary depending on the type of retail store. For example, an electronics store will generally have a higher average spend per transaction and lower UPT compared to an apparel store, which is likely to have lower average spend but higher units per transaction. I guess that's normal. An analysis of an average customer spend can help retailers in understanding their customers and plan their sales and marketing efforts.